Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF images to Word documents so that you're able to edit them. Also, we are going to convert images to Word documents so that you're also able to modify them. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So let's open our MS Word. Can open a new document. So what we're going to do, let's start with the PDF. Go to File menu and open. Navigate. We have a document on the desktop. So whenever you open a PDF document in Word, you'll get this warning from MS Word. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. Okay, so you can proceed and say OK, and MS Word is going to open the PDF document in an editable format. So as you can see, you can edit, you can type new lines. So we've been able to convert our PDF Word, our PDF document to Word, and we are now able to edit. And then you can still go ahead and save it again as a PDF by selecting a PDF format here and then giving it a new name again. So that's how we convert a PDF document to a Word document that is editable. The next thing we're going to do is to try and open an image document. Okay, so let's go ahead and open, browse for the document, can go to our desktop. You can try to open this one. This is an image document. Word doesn't open it directly, so what we have to do, we're going to create a PDF document from that image first of all. We just drag that image, then save this one as a PDF. Can call it test to document and save. We have it as a PDF. We've converted the image to a PDF first of all. So what you're going to do is reopen MS Word again. And now in a blank document, try to open the PDF you've created. Okay, we saved it in the desktop. Test to document. Click OK. There we are. So it appears for you to be able to convert from image to Word, then you have to convert the image first to a PDF, then Word is able to read that. So you can see we are able to now edit our image. Then we can go ahead and save it again. The other easiest option to convert these directly is to use an online converter. There are a couple that are online that have been able to use this one. So just browse and select your image. For example, I'll pick this one. Okay, let's pick this one. And then I'm not a robot. Yes. Then submit. It's going to process the image to an editable Word document. It's important to note that these kind of softwares use some technology we call optical character recognition. So it's able to recognize the letters in the image and pick the letters. So it's a technology called optical. So this one is already done converting, and now we have our text document there. You can save the document and it will download immediately. Or you can as well copy the content, open a Word document, and a blank document, and then paste the content there. We have another one here that called onlineocr.net. You can as well try it and upload your document. And as you can see, it will also convert the document into an editable format. And then you can download the output file instantly. So guys, that is it for this video. If you like this kind of content, please make sure you subscribe and give this video a like. And then let's meet in the next video.